Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinonso, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to earn an extra 2,000 to 5,000 every day, depending on how free you are or how busy you are. You get to learn how to earn extra 2,000 to 5,000 every single day. As you can see on my dashboard here, you can see right here I'm having about 3,800 naira, and I'll even be showing you how to go about withdrawing any money you made on this platform, because I'll be making a live withdrawal right now so that I get to see that it is real. Do you understand? This is not those platforms where you get to make money and eventually you are unable to access your money. I'll withdraw live on this video and you get to see that it is real. So if you are new on my channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right on this channel I talk about ways you can make money online and how you can get better results with your online activities. So if this is your first time, just go ahead and like this video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you're able to make money from this platform. Are you ready, guys? Alright, let's get straight into it. The first thing we'll be doing right now is to withdraw this money into my account. So for me to do that, I'll have to click on this hamburger icon right here. So once I click on that, I'll go to where we have payments. So right here, I'll be showing you how to add your account details for eventually you want to withdraw money from this platform. So you can see right here, I'm having total withdrawal of 17.5. My last withdrawal was 4,000 naira, and for you to add your account details, just come down here. You can see where you have add your bank account. So I'll just go ahead and add my account right here. So just follow me, guys. The process is very simple. So right here you can see we have account number. So I'll just go ahead and add my account number. So I'll be using my OPay. So once you've added the number and the bank name, so you now go ahead and click verify account details. As you can see, it's already showing my name right here, Charles Chinonso. So I'll just go ahead and click continue to add account. It means the account is correct. So bank account added successfully. Can you see that? You can now withdraw your earning to the added bank account. Are you guys following me? So now let's go ahead and withdraw. For you to withdraw, once you're on your dashboard, just click on withdraw to bank. So once you click on withdraw to bank, so right here you put in the bank you just added. You can see select bank. I'll put the open account, and I'll also input the amount I want to withdraw. So I just put in 3,000. Let me withdraw 3,000 naira. Can you see? So over here you have to click request OTP, so as to confirm that you are the true owner of the account, and the OTP has been sent to my email. So I'll just copy it, then go ahead and paste it on the platform. Are you following me, guys? So let's go and paste it. So I'll paste the OTP right here, then I'll proceed and click on withdraw. So once I click on withdraw right here, the money will appear instantly in my account. So let's wait for this. Can you see? Withdrawal of 3,000 naira is successful. Your payment will be processed in seconds. Kindly refresh the page to view your withdrawal status. Can you see, guys? Very seamless, very simple. And as you can see right here, I just got a notification from my OPay that I have just gotten 3,000 naira into my account. So that's basically how you get to withdraw on this platform, how you get to add your account details. So I believe by now you are excited and pumped up, like you are eager to create your account right now. Alright, for you to create your account, just go to the description, then click on the link in the description and follow that link. Just fill in your name, fill in your phone number, your email address, and also select that you want to register as an earner, because that is the correct option to choose right there. So once you are done doing that, then proceed and log into your account and you'll be on this place. Do you understand? You'll be on this place. So once you are right here, your account will be showing 0 naira because you've never made money from the platform, and they'll ask you to verify your email. You know, I've been using this account before, so all those things are not showing right here. So over there they'll ask you to verify your email. So just follow the instructions right there and you get to learn how to verify your email. There'll be a link on your screen. Just click on the link or just follow the instructions right there and you'll be able to verify your email. Are you following, guys? So once you are done verifying your email, the next step you have to follow to make money on this platform is for you to activate your account. You have to activate your account. This is like a commitment fee to show that you are serious about making money on the platform, and the activation fee is just 1,000 naira. Can you see that it is nothing? It's just like a commitment fee to show that you are serious about making money on the platform. So once you get to activate your account, then they will get to give you access to a lot of tax. If you don't activate your account, you'll not be able to access all the tax on the platform. You'll not be able to start making money on the platform. So like I said earlier, you will see the button to activate your account on the dashboard, on your dashboard. You know, this account is already activated. So once you are on your dashboard, just check carefully and you will see the button that you have to click for you to activate your account on the platform. Are you following me, guys? So once you are done activating your account, then it means you are ready to start earning on the platform. So now, guys, for you to earn on this platform, first thing first is you need to add your social media profile. You need to add your social media profile. So for you to add your social media profile, just click on this hamburger icon up here. So Once you click on that, you get to see where we have dashboard, we have tags, then we have social media. So click on social media, and over there you get to see the several social media platforms you can add to the platform. So it means any social media you add, that will determine the tags you'll be able to do. If you add your Instagram account to the platform, it means you'll be able to like do every task relating to Instagram. If you add your Twitter account to the platform, it means you'll be able to do tasks relating to Twitter. And the good thing about this is that you can add as much social media profile as possible. You can add as many as possible. So once you are right here, can you see, just click on add social media. You can see right here, there are some instructions for you to follow right here. If you don't follow these instructions, you have challenges adding your social media profile to the platform. So the first instruction says, ensure that your account is active and it has your profile pics. Can you see? Ensure your account is active. The second instruction says, ensure that you add your social earning username to your bio, to your social media bio. For example now, my social earning username is Nonsom Charles. Then I'll just copy it, go to my bio and put it on my bio. Like that is how you get to go about it. It's very simple. Then you save it. That is to prove that you are the true owner of that social media account. Do you understand? So, and just go ahead and read all the other instructions. Number 3 says, ensure that your account has recent posts. Can you see? Just follow all the instructions to ensure that your account gets verified. Because if you don't follow these instructions, your social media account will not be verified. Hope you are following me, guys. So, just come down here, click on select social media. Then you get to like select any of the social media you want to add. You can see that there are several social media platforms right here that you can add. We have YouTube, WhatsApp, websites, Threads, Play Store, so many of them. So add as many as possible you want to add for yourself so that you can maximize your earning on the platform. I believe you are following me, guys. So that's just very simple. And if you are having challenges adding them correctly, you can click on where we have click here to watch videos on how to add your social media platform. Once you click on that, you'll see practical steps that will get you through how you can add your social media platforms. So that's basically how to add your social media bio or your social media profile to the platform. So now you are done adding your social media profile, you are now ready to start earning on the platform. So for you to start earning, just come back to this place. You can see we have dashboard, then we have tags. So click on tags. Once you click on tags, then it will load up all the tags that you can do to start making money for yourself. So you can see right here, we have several tags right here. The first one says trade/page follow. So it means you have to follow someone on Thread and the amount you earn is written there. Can you see? 6 naira. The second one says website sign up. And you can see that with these you can earn 10 naira. So these are simple tasks you can do for yourself within 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You are done with each of those tasks. Can you see that the third one says website/Google business review. And with these tasks you can earn yourself 10 naira. Can you see? So it means in an hour you can make as much as 1,000 naira. In a day you can make as much as 5,000 naira, depending on how consistent and active you are doing these little tasks. Are you following me, guys? So that's basically how you get to like earn on the platform. So for example now, let's assume you want to do number 4, which says Instagram follow. So just tap on view tags. Once you tap on view tags, then it will load up this for you. So you can see over here, this is a full detail of the tasks you have to do. Can you see? And there's also an instruction on how to go about doing the tasks successfully. So just ensure you follow the instructions so that you don't get any challenge. And if you're having any challenge doing any tasks on the platform, there's always a video to guide you on how to do that task. Can you see right here? They say watch a video on how to perform the Instagram page follow task. Hope you are seeing. So it's just very simple to make money on this platform. So that's the very first way to go about earning on this platform. You know, I said there are 2 ways you can go about earning on the platform. So this is the first way, by performing simple tasks. So the second way you can get to earn on this platform is by inviting your friends to the platform. Do you understand? This is not compulsory, but if you want to scale your earning on this platform, this is a sure way to go about that. And this is how I was able to scale my earning on the platform. So the second way is by you inviting your friends to the platform. So for you to invite your friends, just go ahead and scroll down right here. So over here, you get to see your link, which you can copy to share with your friends and invite them to the platform. And each person you invite to this platform, you are being paid 500 naira for each person that you invite to the platform, as long as that person activates his or her account. Do you understand? As long as the person activates his or her account. So I believe you have friends and family that are looking to earn extra money every day using their smartphone. So you can share this update with them, ask them to register with your link, and once they register and activate their account, you'll be earning an extra 500 naira every single day. So if you add this method of earning to the first method, I'm very sure that you can be making as high as 5,000 every single day. Imagine you invite about 10 people every day to this platform. It means you've made 10,000 for that very day. So this is actually the second way you can get to earn on this platform. So I believe you understand, guys. So just go ahead and explore this platform, try the first and second method, and if you want to make more money, just ensure you do more of the second method. So guys, I believe you got value from this tutorial. I believe you actually got value from this tutorial. If you did, ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment, and if you have questions, just don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section and I'll make sure I answer all your questions. And lastly, ensure you subscribe to this channel. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.